In this video, we're going to understand what happens to an aircraft during a lightning strike. When an aircraft is struck by lightning, the results can range from no damage to severe damage that requires repair and take the aircraft out of service for an extended period of time. So we're going to understand lightning strike into three different parts. Firstly, what are the conditions of the lightning strike, effects of lightning strike, and protection against lightning strike. Conditions of the lightning strike and when and where lightning strikes are more prominent. The highest probability of the lightning attachment to an aeroplane is the outer extremity, such as the wingtips, rudder, and the nose. Lightning strike occurs more often during the climb and descent phase of the flight between the altitude 5,000 to 15,000 feet. The probability of the lightning strike decreases about 20,000 feet. 70% of the lightning strike occurs during the presence of rain and temperature near to 0 degrees Celsius or freezing temperature. A single bolt of lightning strike may contain up till 1 million volt power or 30,000 amperes. Lightning strike can vary greatly because of geographic location. For an example, United States parts of Florida average 100 thunderstorm days per year, while most of the west coast average 10 thunderstorm days per year, while rest of the part in the world lightning strike can occur mostly near to the equator because of the warm environment, contributing in convection and wind spread thunderstorms daily. Lightning strike can damage components such as electrically controlled fuel bulbs, power feeders, generators, and electrically distribution system. While direct effect of lightning strike on a structure can be meltdown through resistive heating, and discolored skin structure on an aircraft would indicate and classify it as the lightning strike damages. On December 8, 1963, a lightning bolt blew up the fuel tank of a Pan Am 707. A plane was hit over Maryland by lightning that ignited fuel in the reserve tank, blowing the left wing of the plane, turning the aeroplane into a fireball and killing all the passengers on the board. Then later in February 1988, 21 people on board a German regional airline died after the right wing of the turboprop plane broke off during an uncontrolled descent after a lightning strike and killing all the passengers. After knowing and understanding, the engineers have started preparing the aircraft structure and the components of the aircraft in such a way that they can prevent it from the lightning strike. Normally, aeroplanes build up a static current through the aircraft structure by just flying through the air whether it's lightning or not. Static wing device that looks like small antennas are installed on the trailing edge of the wing and the tail surfaces to help dissipate the static electricity which is created because of virtually flying through the air. Most of the aircraft skin consists of an aluminum which conducts electricity very well. By making sure that no gaps exist between this conducting part of the aircraft, the engineers can assure that the electricity due to the lightning strike would remain to the exterior of the aircraft structure. And many more preventions has been made for the lightning strike, including such as wire bundle shells, ground straps, aluminum flame spray coating, coated glass fabric, and boarded aluminum foil. Now, as a pilot, what actions you would be taking during a lightning strike? Certainly, the lightning strike can be unnerving and it can blind your vision for as long as 30 seconds. If you are flying in a condition, especially in the night, lower the seats, drop down the visor, adjust the cockpit light to the full bright position, and focus your attention inside the cockpit to protect your vision. If an aircraft takes a lightning strike, you will get a flash and a bang voice, and the EFIS may flicker and the autopilot may get disconnected. Stay calm and keep the wings level and come out of the storm to the clear sky. While if the aircraft is modern and well maintained, all the critical systems may survive fine. Whenever possible, let the passengers know what just happened and be alert for fire and smoke. I hope the information on the lightning strike was helpful. While WRIGHT Aviation starting with a new online batch for the CPL, ATPL and airline preparation for the upcoming DGCA examination. So any details regarding the online lectures, how interactive they are, do contact us. The details are given in the description. This is Captain Siddharth on the behalf of WRIGHT Aviation.